In today's video, we will be learning how to set up a welcome message using Dyno. You'll start by going to the Dyno Dashboard. If this is your first time opening Dyno, you'll have to set it up first before setting up your welcome message. Navigate to your modules, then we'll be looking at the settings for welcome. You can set up as a message, embed, or both. We'll be using both for this tutorial. Then we will select what channel the welcome message will send to. You can send to whatever channel, but we have a welcome channel already, so let's pick that one. You can have it send a private DM as well, but I don't typically do those, as they can be very annoying. In the message content box, type a curly bracket, then the word user, then another curly bracket to close. This will tag the user once they join the server. This comes from a list of variables at the bottom. You can then pick a color. We'll go blue to keep the theme. Now enter title. We'll be building a basic welcome message, so a normal title is fine for now. Next, in the description box, you'll type out your welcome message. I like to tag channels that show how to verify. You'll need the channel's ID number for this. You can find how to get the channel ID in my video about how to turn on Discord developer mode. For this server, I require everyone to ID verify, so we'll reflect that in the description. Then we'll tag the channel that shows them how to verify. You'll need to put the less than sign, a pound sign, the channel ID number, then the greater than sign. If you scroll down, you'll see your message. It shows the tagged channel as well. You can also add an image by copying an image or GIF link and posting it in the image URL box. Once again, if you scroll down, you'll now see the welcome message has an image attached. If everything looks good, go ahead and scroll back to the top and make sure your module is enabled. And there you have it. Make sure to hit save, and you've successfully created a welcome message for when a user joins your server. In the next video, we'll set up a leave message.